Good things come to those who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. My friends, everything is up for the day. This is one of those Mondays where everything's kicking up. The biggest winner is Bitcoin. We'll get there in just a minute. Let's start off with the S&P 500. Now, of course, as we look at the S&P 500, we can see where it started pulling back last Tuesday in the afternoon on the 23rd of September, and it went down through Thursday afternoon, and then on Friday popped up again on Monday. It's not gotten to the high of last week yet, but it is up 0.28%. Of course, as we look at the two-day chart, we see it sitting right there on that weekly trend line. We look at where we are on the weekly, and we had okay volume, average volume during the day. Things popped up more exuberantly in the morning, pulled back some in the afternoon, still up overall. We'll see how we do. Doesn't look like we're right up way to half volume. We'll see if we get up to average volume on the two-day chart. We'll keep an eye on things as the week continues to progress. We are still long, very decently long on the directional probability. That percentage is, of course, available right now for our Patreon members. We already emailed that out to you and uploaded it at the Patreon page. If for any reason you don't see our daily email, you miss it someday, or you can't check your email, just go to your Patreon page, log in. It is there. We upload it for you there first and send you the email out each and every day. That is your 5-day plus ETF trading analysis and execution plan, along with your trade execution summary grid, which gives you the ticker symbol, the directional probability in percentages, entry point, exit point, expected move in US dollars, and the backtest accuracy percentage. It's decent on the S&P. What about the Qs? The NASDAQ 100 up 0.46%. Again, similar to the S&P, started moving down on Tuesday afternoon, started recovering on Friday. Much more exuberance, just like with the S&P 500. We see it on the NASDAQ 100 in the morning on Monday, pulling back some in the afternoon, but overall still up, but not a higher high than last week yet. Let's keep moving. And again, we'll keep our eye on things and the volumes as the week continues to move along. 20-year U.S. government bonds. Now, we saw the weekend with the doji with not quite average volume, and this week starts with an attempted up move. We'll see if that continues to materialize. It was a decent amount for the day, 0.82%. You can see where it was dragging along sideways for many days on 20-year U.S. government bonds. A lot of exuberance in the morning on Friday, pulled back on Friday afternoon, but man, did it pop up on Monday morning, although it didn't hit average volume in either the morning or the afternoon. First day of the latest two-day candle. After 3 red candles, we see a green one forming. It hasn't finished forming yet. We'll see what things look like as we roll into Tuesday. Where are we on on gold? Man, gold booming on Monday, 1.65%. I'm looking at, it is our highest directional probability and our highest backtest accuracy. Gold just continues to shine, my friends. And we look at things higher high this week, higher high on the first day of the two-day. Look at that. We're already well over halfway volume and one more day to go on the two-day candle. Up in the morning, looks about the same. In the afternoon, volume decreased a little bit. Volume exuberant in the morning. And again, just a beautiful day for gold. It is our highest directional probability, and it is just shining. Let's look at lastly where we are with Bitcoin. After a down week last week, Bitcoin a-booming. It was down for 2 days on Thursday and Friday, and then on Monday, just hammering up in the morning. And looks like it maybe didn't, well, let's see. The high in the morning, 32.36, 32.39. So it did go up a little bit higher in the afternoon. Volume trailed off a little bit in the afternoon, almost up to average volume already on the 2-day. And it's only 1 day. So we'll see how much volume we got there. If that continues, if Monday's an anomaly for the week, we'll continue to watch things. We are still below that prior trend line. Haven't been able to draw any other one yet. And we will keep an eye on things when it comes to HODL. That is where we are, my friends, as we jump into this market on an exuberant Monday with everything up. Hope you'll be with us the whole week. God bless. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth.